I'm always doing something with my hair, y'all. Alright, y'all, so today we're doing something different. Today we're gonna do bohemian braids, goddess braids, whatever you want to call them. This style was very challenging for me. Okay, very challenging, you guys. It took me how long did it take me? It took me 2 days to complete. Now, I was gonna go to the salon, but I decided to do it myself. The only reason why I was going to the salon is because, one, I was being lazy. Two, I just haven't been in a long time, and I was like, oh, let me treat myself and go get my hair done. But then I started thinking about how tight they braid sometimes, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it myself. I decided on medium knotless boho braids, yeah. And I think they came out so good. They're really pretty. It kind of looks like I went to the shop. I'm really proud of myself. So the hair that's added into my braids is 100% human hair, okay? I got it from a company called HOTBRAIDS. HOTBRAIDS. Okay, this is their soft wavy Auburn hair. And I think I have mine in a 26-inch. And my hair came out very full, y'all. Very full. I realized me trying to do my hair with all human hair was above my skill set. So I went to the beauty supply store on the hunt trying to find my synthetic braiding hair that could like match this. So the thing that I found closest to it, which is a 2T 1B 350. If y'all want to see how I did this, keep on watching. So here's my braid pattern. So I did wash and blow dry my hair, and I went in and I pre-sectioned my hair. The reason I did this is because I wanted to save as much time as possible. So basically, I just worked on a row at a time. I started at the bottom and worked my way up. And when you're doing these braids, you want to be sure not to add hair on the first 2 to 3 rows because that will cause a lot of tangling. Now we're going to go in and prep our human hair. You want to use some type of braid or lock gel and just go ahead and put a nice generous amount of that on the tops of your human braiding hair. And then you just want to rub it through and smooth it through, and then it makes it easier to go ahead and separate pieces. And I went ahead and prepped all of my hair before I started braiding, and this is how it should look. So let's get right into braiding. I'm going to show you guys some of my last ones I had left at the top. This is how large I made my boxes for my braids. I wanted like medium braids, not medium and not small, kind of in the middle. I'm going to use a little bit of that edge gel, and I got this from the beauty supply store. And you just want to put a little bit at the root, not a lot. I just like a little bit just so everything stays clean and tight. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my braid. I like to braid 2 times. You guys will see me do it twice before I go in and add in 1 piece of hair. And then I like to braid twice. And then I go in and add another piece of hair. And then I'm going to braid twice again. And then I'm going to add 1 more piece of hair. All of my braids, I used 3 to 4 pieces of braiding hair because I wanted medium to medium braids. And that's pretty much how I added in the braiding hair. Now to add in the human hair, you just go ahead and add it right in and just clip away the piece of hair and just braid down like normal. And I did about 4 to 5 strands of human hair per braid, okay? Per braid. And I just kept going in and adding the hair. As you guys can see, I'm sorry about my frame. I was a little bit out of frame, but you guys see exactly what I'm doing. You just want to add that human hair and keep braiding down. They're actually not hard to do. I thought these braids would be a lot harder than they were, but they weren't. I would do them again. So you just want to keep braiding. Make sure you're keeping your braids nice and tight. And you can use some of that edge gel just to smooth the braids, just to smooth like your natural hair and fraying hairs together so everything looks nice and smooth and professional. And at the ends, I just went in and added a piece of hair just like I did the human hair to the other parts. And I'm just braiding down, as you guys can see. I'm just braiding down until it was no hair left. And then I'm just going to take some glue and go ahead and secure everything together. And that's pretty much how I did it. It was really simple, very easy. I'm not like a pro when it comes to braids, but I gets it done, okay? I know how to get it done. And they came out so gorgeous, you guys. Like, I was, you know, while I was doing it, I was kind of scared. I was like, oh, I don't know how they're going to end up looking. But they turned, look how they look. They look so good. And I really like the medium size. Look at that. Look at the hair. Just so full. So look at that. So gorgeous. To define the curls, I'm going to use my Tresemme conditioner, and I mix that in a bottle with some water, and you just want to spray this on the ends very well and spray it throughout the hair. Now, I didn't go and wet my hair down completely. This is how I like to do it, and you just separate the hair and detangle it and pull it apart, and take your time because these are braids and you don't want to pull out your hair, okay? So take your time and just detangle everything. So I did have to run out the door, and I took my diffuser just to dry everything up and get the most out of those curls. It took about 5 minutes to dry. It was really easy, but I really liked that the hair, like, it was easy to define. It was lightweight. It wasn't shedding or tangling or matting, which is really important. I hate when hair mats in my neck, and this didn't mat. It was so pretty and airy. I love it. So let's get back into the review. So I'm done with my braids. I went ahead and defined the curls. So let me know in the comment section below how you guys like it. I think it came out really good. It's very lightweight. My hair has really thinned out on the edges and the perimeter ever since I started wearing wigs, and it could be like tension from sew-ins and things, because I, you know, put a lot of tension on my perimeter, and now my hair is dwindling away as I'm aging. But when I do my braided styles, they really need to be lightweight or they won't work for me. The hair is nice and soft. I actually like that the hair kind of like clumps together just a little bit, because that keeps it from tangling. The hair isn't itchy, and that's what I really like. I love this style. This is different for me. I think I'm gonna redo these type of braids, but with the black hair. The colored hair it's gorgeous. It's just a little shocking because I don't think I've ever had colored braids. So it kind of took me off guard, but I actually really love it. I think it complements my skin great. It's really pretty for the upcoming fall season. The company sent me over 4 bundles, and I actually have 1 left. So this is almost 3 full bundles in my head. I'm definitely gonna save these to use at another time. I really like this curl pattern. It's not too wavy. It's not too curly. It's perfect for this look. So if you guys are interested in the hair, it will be linked below. Thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up. Make sure you comment. Let me know if you like the style. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I try to post every week. Sometime it might be every other week. I'll see you in my next video.